this question is about differentiation. The equation of a curve is x cubed plus y squared plus 3x squared plus 3y equals 4. Show that dy dx equals minus 3x squared plus 6x all over 2y plus 3. So the first step is to differentiate both sides with respect to x. So this is called implicit differentiation. So when we differentiate x cubed with respect to x, we get 3x squared. When we differentiate y squared with respect to x, this is just like when we differentiate x squared, we get 2x, but we use y, so 2y, but different letters means we have to use dy dx. So the derivative of y squared dx is 2y dy dx. The derivative of 3x squared, as usual, 6x. Derivative of 3y, just 3 times dy dx. And the derivative of a constant is 0 on the right. So we can move the minus 3x squared and 6x to the right. So it becomes minus 3x squared minus 6x. And we factor out the dy dx. We still have 2y plus 3. And we divide both sides by 2y plus 3. We get what we need to prove. Second part, find the coordinates of the points on the curve at which tangent is parallel to the x-axis. So x-axis is the horizontal axis, so the tangent is horizontal. Horizontal tangent means the gradient is 0. Gradient means dy dx. So we are solving dy dx equals 0. From the previous part, we have the dy dx. So we are solving this fraction equals 0, which means the numerator equals 0. We can multiply both sides by minus, so we cancel out the minus, multiply both sides by the denominator, so we just have the numerator equals 0. And then we factor out 3x. We have 3x, x plus 2. So a times b equals 0, a equals 0, b equals 0, which means x can be 0 or x can be minus 2. So since the question is to find the coordinates, we need the y value. So now we plug in x equals 0 to the original curve equation and x minus 2 also. So when we plug in 0, we replace the x with 0. We have 0 cubed plus y squared plus 3 times 0 squared plus 3y equals 4. So this is 0, this is 0. We have a quadratic, and if we solve the quadratic by factoring, we're gonna get minus 4 and 1. For x minus 2, again we replace the x with minus 2, so we have minus 8. This is 12, which is 4, so they cancel out. So we only have y squared plus 3y equals 0. Factorize, we get y plus 3, y equals 0, or y equals minus 3, and this means we have 4 coordinates. When the x is 0, the y can be 0 or minus 3, so 0, 0. And wait a minute, when the x is 0, the y can be minus 4 or 1, so 0 minus 4, 0, 1. And when the x is minus 2, the y can be 0 or minus 3, so minus 2, 0, minus 2, minus 3. Alright, so we have 4 solutions. Okay, see you again next time.